Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you what is Hub Site in SharePoint Online and how to create a Hub Site in SharePoint Online and how to map the parent-child relationship in SharePoint Online Hub Site. Let's understand what a Hub Site is in SharePoint Online. A Hub Site in SharePoint Online is like a parent site that connects related team and communication sites together. It helps organize sites by department, project, or region, and makes them feel like one connected group. With a Hub Site, you get a common navigation, share branding, and easier search across all connected sites. It's great for keeping everything consistent and organized in large organizations. This makes it easier for users to find content and stay consistent across multiple sites. In this video, I will also show you the Parent-Child Hub Association, which is a new feature. So let's get started. Now, I am in my Active Sites library from the SharePoint Online Admin Center portal. Here, I will show you how to create a Hub Site step by step. For instance, this is my team site, which I have created earlier. Now, I want to register this site as a Hub Site. For that, what I did was I came to my SharePoint Admin Center portal. I selected the site which I want to configure as a Hub Site. Then I went to this Hub menu, clicked on this Register as Hub link. Then, the Register as Hub Site page opens. Make this site into a Hub Site to connect related sites and give them a shared experience. Then, name your Hub Site. I have named as my demo. Now my Hub Site is registered. It got saved. I'll just close it, and now you see this. Earlier, it was empty. I'm in the Hub filter. Now my Hub Site is showing here. Next thing I will show you how to configure or associate a child site to a Hub Site, like a parent-child hierarchical architecture. Select any of your active sites that need to be associated with a Hub Site. So for that, what I can do is I can select any of my active sites from this list of sites. I can select this site and add to my Hub Site. Click on the Associate with a Hub link. Now you will be asked to select your hub where you want to associate this site. Let's read out this configuration and what it offers. When you associate this site with a hub, it inherits the Hub Sites theme and navigation. Content from the site will roll up to the Hub Site and be included in searches on the Hub Site. So with this, we understood that what will happen if you configure a Hub Site and associate a site to a hub. Select your Hub Site from the Hub Site drop-down list. This is my Hub Site I just created. I will associate my site with this hub. Right? Let's select this and save it. My demo project team site is being associated to my Hub Site. This process takes a couple of seconds to complete. Okay, now my project team site has been associated with my Hub Site. Now I will select my Hub Site again, and I'll go back to my Hub Site settings page. Now, I will show the new feature where we can associate Parent Hub for a selected hub. This feature is a new one. It was not there earlier. One thing we must be aware of is that we will not get the Parent Hub Association settings while registering a site as a new hub. You will get this configuration setting in the Edit Hub Site settings page. For instance, with registering as a Hub Site screen, we don't see the Parent Hub configuration setting. However, after registering as a Hub Site, if you edit your Hub Site setting, you will get this option. For instance, select your Hub Site and click on the Edit Hub Site Settings. Here, you can see the Parent Hub Association drop-down list. From this list, select your parent hub. Hub associations should be limited to 3 levels to ensure viewers can search for content on associated sites. So this is my hub site, which I just created. I have only one hub site, so it is showing only one hub site. In general, here you will see all the hub sites from your tenant. From this Parent Hub Association list, you can select the parent hub where you want to link your hub to. This feature was not there earlier. Microsoft recently launched this. This is really a helpful and handy feature in order to maintain your hub site architecture and structure in your tenant. The same thing, whatever I have shown over here till now. This also can be achieved through the PowerShell and PNP PowerShell commands as well. You can see the PowerShell commands on the screen and get them from my blog post as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demo and learned something new today. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated. In the coming days, I'll be sharing more exciting and trending content on Microsoft's latest technologies, including Microsoft Copilot, GenAI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, Artificial Intelligence, and much more. Your support means a lot and helps me grow. On this journey, stay connected, stay inspired. Thanks again.